Good morning, Knights. I'm Dominic.
And I'm Karen, bringing you the nightly news.
To start this week off, we turn to Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, who once said, "You don't have to be perfect, but you do have to be 100% committed."
Knights, today, Monday, October 12th, marks the first day of periods 4 through 6 for semester 1. We wish everyone a great start and a great day today.
That's right, Karen, and since there will be new classes, there will be a new production crew for the nightly news. Now, while the crew is getting trained and ready, the nightly news will unfortunately be taking a 2-week break and will pick up on October 26th.
While the nightly news are on hold, we highly recommend you to follow our Village ASB Instagram account to keep up on date with what is going on with our campus. And now to sharpen up our vocabulary, let's take a look at our SAT word of the week.
What was that, bro?
That was my stomach. I'm feeling egregious. You remember the lasagna you bought the other day?
You mean the same lasagna I told you not to eat cause it was bad, bro?
Oh God, I feel a bit sick.
I guess I'm not gonna eat that again.
Hey, I'm Eddie, bringing you the SAT word of the week, and this week's word is egregious. Egregious is an adjective which means extremely bad. Well, there you have it. Back to you, Karen and Dominic.
Up next, we turn to Kayla for the math problem of the week.
How do I eat this?
Jonathan, don't eat that! You're supposed to solve it! Let's see, this problem is asking us to solve a system in equations by elimination, so we can do this by first eliminating y. We could do this if we add both of the equations together. Doing so will give us 3x equals 21. Then we divide both sides by 3, and then we have x equals 7. Now that we know that x equals 7, and all we need to know now is the y coordinate. Once we plug in 7 for x, we now just have to isolate y. So we can subtract 7 from both sides, and that gives us negative y equals negative 1. Divide both sides by negative 1, and that gives us our answer. Y equals 1. X equals 7, and y equals 1 is our final answer. And then you eat it. Was it hard, Jonathan?
No, it was pretty easy. Thank you for helping me with this problem.
Now let's turn our attention to Rose, who has an announcement for us.
Did you know that suicide is the second leading cause of death in teens? Here are some symptoms and what you can do to help. Symptom 1. Withdrawal or isolation, which includes a loss of interest in the things the person usually enjoys. Symptom 2. Appetite changes, over or under eating. And the third symptom. Feelings of worthlessness, hopelessness, and or guilt. If you are having any of these signs, or if you know anybody that's having these signs, please reach out for support and call the Suicide Prevention Lifeline number at 1-800-273-TALK. Thank you for listening.
Are you ready to get ripped and in shape? Well, let's turn to Hermines for a new exercise this week.
I'm going to show you how to do a tricep dip. So set yourself up by rolling the shoulders back, opening up the chest, bringing your hands directly underneath your shoulders onto the bench or onto the ground. And you're going to take your legs out, keeping your knees bent. If you wanted to make it harder, you could extend the legs. You're going to bend the elbows, lowering your hips down, and then exhale to extend the elbows and lift your body up. Inhale down, exhale up.
After that workout and classes over classes, I'm pretty hungry. Let's take a look at what healthy option Cameron has for us.
Hey guys, I'm Cameron. This week I'll be your cooking coach. And for this week, I'm going to show you how to make a fruit salad. So you know what? Let's get into it. Let's go. Alright guys, so the reason why I really wanted to do this recipe is because it's super simple, it's super easy, and you can really throw any ingredients together and it'll still taste good. Wait, actually, oh snap. Speaking of ingredients, let's get those out. Alright, we got our ingredients. Greek yogurt is a great source of calcium, potassium, and protein. Watermelon contains vitamin A and C, and mangoes have iron and vitamin E, along with many other vitamins. Blueberries contain high amounts of potassium and vitamin C. And almonds, they're a great source of magnesium, protein, and natural fats. So let me show you guys how I would make my fruit salad. 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Another cup of Greek yogurt. Couple of watermelon. Couple more mangoes. Some blueberries. And my personal favorite, almonds. After putting all that together, this is the final product.
Hey, what's up, Knights? It's Mr. Reed, and it's time for the class challenge. Last week, we had students compete in the Spoon Frog Challenge. Let's take a look and see how you guys did. Now for the results. The class that had the most participation goes to, once again, the sophomore class. Nice job, sophomores. And now the challenge winner goes to Kayla Cisneros. Congratulations, Kayla. At this time, let's check out the leaderboard, and the sophomore class is still in first place with 15 points. The juniors are trailing right behind with 11 points, and the freshmen and seniors are both tied in third place with 5 points. As Dominic mentioned earlier, the nightly news will be taking a 2-week break as we transition into our next periods. With that said, the class challenge is not done. It will be coming back at the end of the month. Until then, have a great start to your new classes periods 4, 5, and 6.
Sophomores, on October 14th, be sure to join us for a few rounds of Pictionary.
Have a great week and stay safe, Knights.